Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So I go on my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen, yeah man. So today video, I'm gonna share with you I made my jerk turkey pizza, yeah man, jerk turkey pizza. So I make a video the other day, I put it out on my YouTube channel, how I jerk my turkey, the full video is there, whole thing. So now, this is the turkey breast I'm using. I'm cut up the, I'm not gonna use the wing. So as you could see, I cut up the turkey breast. So I cut it up in like small slices like this. So this is what I'm gonna use for my pizza. So here I have this is my pizza sauce. This is the sauce I'm using on the pizza. This is my mozzarella cheese. This is my pizza dough. So now I'm just gonna finish to cut up this. So I take as much. Cause this is supposed to be a 14-inch pie. So now I get rid of this. I'm not gonna use this. As I say, I'm not using the wing neither. So this is all I'm using for my pizza. So now I'm going to get all of this in a bowl. So now I'm going to stretch my pizza. It's been a long while I don't stretch a pizza. So when you're stretching the pizza, you want the crust, so you don't wanna touch the outer edge. You wanna push out the air. You wanna push the air out. See? So this is my rack I'm using. So I have to stretch it. It's a 14-inch tray. A rack, whatever you wanna call it. So see? So I'm gonna put a little flour on it. Turkey pizza. So you're gonna open it out on this. So now I'm going to add the sauce. So now you're gonna put it here. You're gonna use the back of here to spread the sauce. So you don't want to touch the edge. You don't want to put too much sauce as well, because you don't want your pizza to be saggy. Just like that. So now I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. You don't want your pizza to be cheesy also, so not too much cheese. Now I'm going to add my purple onion. Okay. Alright, now I'm adding the turkey meat, which is the turkey breast. So now I'm going to wash my hands, and then we're gonna pop this in the oven. I already have my oven preheated at 300 degree. When I'm putting the pizza, I'm gonna put it up to 400, and this should take 3 to 4 minutes to cook. So it's nothing dried out, nothing too long. This is a really short process. So now I'm going to pop this pizza in the oven, my jerk turkey pizza in the oven. So now it's already preheated. So now I'm gonna turn to 400, and this should take 3 to 4 minutes. So see you in 4 minutes time. So people, guess what? The pizza is ready, but it take a longer time and as I think. The pizza take 25 minutes. So now I'm gonna pull it out the oven. So as you could see, time to pull it out the oven. And look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Jerk turkey pizza. So now we're gonna cut the pizza. So people, we're gonna cut the pizza. Do I have a small pizza cutter? But it's okay. So now gonna cut this. So now we have like, gonna count how many slices. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 slices. So this pizza could share for 8 people. And it's a 14-inch pie. So now this is my pizza. It's hot. So this is my pizza crust. So we're gonna take a bite for the camera. Okay? Jerk turkey pizza, this tastes so good. Oh, please remember to like, share, and comment for a lot more videos. I have a lot more videos to come up. And please remember to subscribe for when I drop another brand new video. Peace out.